The goal of the Student Housing Phase 3 project is to create an environment that encourages community, dialogue, and intellectual curiosity, hallmarks of the higher education experience. Our journey began in 2005. Anderson Strickler is retained to perform a housing demand market study, identifying opportunity for growth. In 2006, A.C. Martin Partners completes the feasibility study, develops concept diagrams, and design criteria. To streamline the design development process and promote creative, cost-effective solutions, the university opts for the design-build method of delivery. Six design-build teams consisting of contractors and architects respond with statements of qualifications. 3 teams are selected to participate in the RFP phase. After reviewing each firm's technical and cost proposals, PCL Construction Services and Steinberg Architects win the competition for the most creative and cost-effective plan. The Board of Trustees approves the finance and schematic plans. The preliminary design is developed and refined. And finally, working drawings, including details for building components and systems, are completed. Four years into the process, construction begins. Today, our vision, transformed into design, is becoming a reality. The gateway serves as our front porch. Flowering shrubs greet you, pulling you along a well-defined, winding pathway to reveal the defining campus centerpiece, our piazza, designed as a community outdoor living room. Clustered perches are uniquely designed to connect the outdoor experience with adjacent indoor activities. This encourages flow between the inside and outside and activates the piazza. Other more intimate perches encourage studying, quiet conversation, or simple people watching. A canopy of trees along one edge of the piazza provides shade and cools adjacent buildings. The piazza's most important edge is the food services building. The new 571-seat dining facility will offer 4 distinct food experiences, each delivered in its own neighborhood: the Granary, the Pizza Grill Deli Zone, the Euro Kitchen, and the late-night retail coffee shop. As guests enter, a hostess will process their payment option. The first neighborhood they encounter is the Granary. Here, warm croissants, breads, homemade pastries, pies, and cookies will be baked and served fresh from the bakery oven. Toasted cereals, an array of fruits, and beverages ranging from espresso drinks to fresh milk will also be available. Adjacent to the Granary is a 25-foot-long double-sided salad bar, where diners will create fresh custom salads and select from a variety of homemade soups. Leaving the Granary, guests enter the Pizza Grill Deli neighborhood. Here, calzones, lasagnas, focaccia breads, and of course pizza will be baked in the wood-burning oven, then cut and served as guests watch. The adjacent retail coffee shop will provide a late-night venue for night owls, offering beverages and lighter fare from pizza to pastries. At the opposite end of the dining hall, the Euro Kitchen neighborhood features 2 kitchens. An expansive exhibition kitchen where guests are able to watch chefs prepare their omelets or freshly sautéed pasta dishes. And a second kitchen featuring a Euro-style cooking island where chefs will prepare an ever-changing menu of entrees and delicious desserts. The Chef's Portico, an 8 to 12 seat glass wall dining space, separates the 2 kitchens and provides diners the opportunity to observe a bustling professional kitchen firsthand. In addition to offering specific food options, the neighborhoods also feature unique dining environments. From soaring campus and piazza views to cozy meals by the kitchen fireplace, or alfresco dining on the patio, guests will be able to match their environment to their mood. The new dining hall will become an important destination point, a magnet for the entire campus, a space that will reach out and further connect the piazza and housing to the main campus. Scale is an important element in housing design. Institutional dormitory-style housing does not provide the intimacy and positive socialization that a small-scale residential community model does. We transformed the traditional single-window student room by incorporating 3 strategically placed windows that bathe the floor, wall, and ceiling with light. This enhances a student's sense of individuality within a shared space, makes the space feel larger, and reinforces their connection to the outside. The extended family common areas are divided into passive and double-height active spaces. To optimize a sense of community and connection, the active rooms are designed as interlocking modules with windows that provide visual connection between living units on multiple floors. The mixed-use residential buildings juxtapose administration, classroom and learning space, mail, and laundry facilities with resident living space. A balance of open and closed spaces helps animate and activate the piazza, allowing an easy flow of students while also providing for security. The buildings along the piazza form an important edge and are fronted by covered arcades that create a transition between the piazza and buildings. Cal State Fullerton is strongly committed to sustainability, environmental stewardship, and education. To honor this commitment, the Student Housing Project incorporates numerous features that promote energy conservation and sustainable building practices. Landscaping will mitigate the effects of increased stormwater by directing runoff to rain gardens and bioswales. The use of native drought-resistant plants, along with drip and subsurface systems, will reduce potable water usage by 50%. Water-conserving plumbing fixtures will save more than 2 million gallons of water per year. The building energy model will outperform Title 24 requirements by at least 25%. The majority of building materials were extracted, harvested, and manufactured within a 500-mile radius of the project site. By implementing a recycle management plan, the contractor diverted at least 95% of the construction waste from landfills. Low-emitting VOC materials, from paint to sealants and carpets, will ensure excellent indoor air quality. The design also features an abundance of natural day lighting. High-performance glazing, along with sunscreens and fins, will help reduce solar heat gain. Eco-friendly housekeeping products will be used to clean and maintain the facilities. A comprehensive solar photovoltaic system integrated throughout the campus will provide natural, renewable energy. Our design strategy more than meets baseline LEED requirements. In fact, it raises the bar to attain platinum certification by the United States Green Building Council. The student housing program provides for the following. There are 1,064 dorm beds with no dorm rooms facing the freeway. All restrooms are ADA accessible. The food dining facility has a late-night market venue. LEED Platinum certification by United States Green Building Council. Upgraded building construction, CMU, and concrete plank beyond wood frame. 305 new parking spaces. Unique work restrictions, including construction hours and construction activities, were imposed on the design builder to minimize impacts to the campus community. Occupancy by students is slated for fall semester 2011. From the intimacy of family-scaled living spaces to our great outdoor living room, to the comfort of our warm, inviting kitchen, our design will support a living and learning program, enhance academic engagement, and make CSUF a place that shapes student lives with connection, discovery, and personal meaning.